And you guys can see the yellow color box is the hand pump. This is the key parts of the manual hose crimpers. Okay, so its quality is very important. Okay, so you guys can see this one is read as full steel wire sterile reinforcement. Okay, so it's very high pressure hoses. Okay, and you guys can see this model is the one I talked about 2 minutes ago. This one, the maximum crimping range is 1 inch steel wire, braided reinforcement, high pressure, hydraulic hoses. Okay, you guys can see the red part, the yellow color is still the hand pump. With this key parts, the pressure can be produced by the